Good afternoon, friends. My name is Ellen O'Gorman and I'm Director of the Institute for Greece, Rome and the Classical Tradition at the University of Bristol. And I want to tell you about a couple of exciting events that we're going to be supporting over the autumn period. On the 5th of October, on Saturday, Professor Jennifer Inglehart is coming to deliver the 6th annual celebration of John Addington Symonds. This is an event that is hosted by Outstories and we support it as well. Her lecture is going to be called Queer Loss, Queer Classics, A.E. Housman's Lost Country. And she's looking at how classics enabled A.E. Housman, a classical scholar and a professor of Latin at Cambridge, to come to terms with the experience of loss. On the 18th of November, we're hosting our annual Donors Celebration. This is where we celebrate, together with the donors who support the Institute, the research into classics and classical reception. And we're very excited this year because our Donors Celebration will be a lecture by the president of our Institute, Professor Robert Fowler. He's going to speak on The Eagle in the Clouds, Pindar and the Sublime. So he's looking at Pindar's Odes for Victorious Athletes, which are regarded as the very type of the sublime from antiquity to the early 19th century. That's the 18th of November, 5 o'clock in the evening, Wills Memorial Building. Hope to see you at both of these events.